Good evening, everyone. It has been a very warm day today with high temperatures reaching the upper 80s and lower 90s. And we got into the upper 90s in Rio Grande City. Tonight it is going to be mild and muggy. Let's take a look at the maps. And so far it's pretty quiet across the board. There is just a slight chance for some patchy fog overnight into tomorrow morning. Let me show you what's been going on. We saw some very nasty thunderstorms earlier today toward Bryan College Station, towards central Texas. Now those thunderstorms have moved past southeast Texas, and we have a severe thunderstorm warning in Louisiana. That is just north of Alexandria, and that is also pushing off to the east. None of that for us here in the valley. It'll stay quiet for tonight. Tomorrow's just a very slight chance of a shower as a weak front pushes through around midday. Look at the temperatures right now. Still warm out west. It's 81 degrees in Rio Grande City, upper 70s in Edinburgh and McAllen, mid 70s in Weslaco and Brownsville, lower 70s in Harlingen and Raymondville, and mid 70s in Port Isabel. So here's your day planner forecast. We're in the lower 70s at 8 a.m. We'll start off with mostly cloudy skies, but we should see partly cloudy skies as the day goes on. That front again should come in around midday. There's just a 10% chance of a shower, and it will still be warm in the afternoon behind the front with highs in the lower 90s. However, you'll feel a bit of a difference behind the front of the afternoon as the dew points will fall. It's going to be much less humid tomorrow afternoon, and the winds will crank up. And with that in mind, a fire weather watch will be in effect for Star and Hidalgo counties from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. tomorrow. That's due to the higher fire danger due to the gusty winds and the lower humidity. 85 at noon and 88 degrees at 5 p.m. Here's a service map. That front right now is over El Paso and southern New Mexico. That'll get here by tomorrow around midday. One warm front just north of Dallas-Fort Worth. We still have severe thunderstorm watches in effect for southeast Texas and parts of southwestern Louisiana. A lot of rain and some very nasty thunderstorms earlier moving toward Bryan College Station as well as Waco and just south of Dallas and Fort Worth. For us, though, just very quiet for tonight. Here's future track. The front comes in around noon tomorrow. Just a very slight chance of a shower. It's still warm for tomorrow afternoon, but tomorrow night and Tuesday morning, when you wake up, it is going to be much cooler with low temperatures in the upper 50s, and they're the key words. The best news of all, much less humid for Tuesday and Wednesday mornings. We'll have mostly sunny skies Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and it will still be warm during the day with high temperatures in the low to mid 80s, but at least the humidity will be on vacation for Tuesday and most of Wednesday. Then as the high moves off to the east, this area of high pressure, we'll get the winds come back from the southeast. That means the humidity sadly is back in town for late Thursday and especially for Friday, just in time for next weekend. And the high temperatures next weekend could be in the lower 90s. On the water, we'll have winds out of the southeast tonight, shifting to the northwest tomorrow thanks to the front at 5 to 10 knots. The bay waters are a light chop. Your next tide is a high tide at 5:04 tomorrow morning, and the seas will be 2 to 4 feet. So for tonight, we'll call in mostly cloudy. It is mild and muggy with a low temperature of 71 degrees. There is that chance for some patchy overnight fog. Then for tomorrow, a stray shower possible. We're only talking about a 10% chance of a shower tomorrow. It turns breezy tomorrow afternoon behind the front with a high temperature of 93. The winds by the afternoon out of the north, or even by the late morning, even ahead of the front, out of the north at 10 to 20 miles an hour. So ironically, for the first official day of spring, it is going to be cooler in the morning with low temperatures in the upper 50s. You'll want a sweater or jacket both Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning, as the lows will be in the 50s, mid to upper 50s. It'll be warm during the day with highs in the low to mid 80s, mostly sunny skies, but not humid Tuesday or Wednesday. And then the humidity returns for Thursday, for late Thursday. It is warmer on Friday, and the winds crank up again for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And at this point, we're calling for high temperatures to reach the lower 90s for next weekend. That's your First Warn 5 forecast.